Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm here with another video, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to easily defeat both the demons in Oyabashi house. Doesn't matter if you're defeating them for the tier 2 chest, doesn't matter if you're doing them for the Slayer Corpse, the mission that you get from a crow, you can do this easily. But just remember, this technique won't apply for Nezuko as she can withstand the sun. So, without any further ado, I'm gonna tell you guys how to do it, and then I'll show you guys how to do it. First and foremost, you wanna wait until it's close to morning. I believe it's like somewhat 3 or 4 right now. So the sun is gonna rise. As you can see, everything has this purple hue. So when the sun rises, both the demons in the Oyabashi house is gonna start taking damage. 20 damage per tick. Now, you just want to wait for them to take enough damage until they're down at 100 HP, and then when they're at 100 HP, just use your abilities and kill them easily. And as you can see, they are taking damage right there. So we're just going to move on to this demon right here, and we're just going to wait for a teensy tiny amount. As you can see, 20 damage per second. Like, it's not even second, I think 20 damage per 0.5 seconds. And we're just going to wait. This is kind of a boring process as you won't be fighting a lot, but this is gonna guarantee you the free wins as well as free chest. So if I go a bit closer, as you can see, okay, he sees me. That is not good, people. That is not good, but we are just gonna avoid him and we'll try to block as much as we can. Oh no. And I think I'm just gonna serpent wheel out of here, water wheel out of that side. And he's just gonna get teleported back because he can't really follow me in here. And as you can see, both of them are still taking damage. That was bad, people. I did not mean to do it. Let's just drink some healing potions right here, and that's gonna heal us up. So if I just take my sword in and do some damage, he's gonna drop a chest right there. As you see, my water level mastery has gone up. This one drops the chest as well, but nothing inside. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.